Hello friends, this is Veena Reddy signing in. In this dire pandemic situation, the need of the hour is sales management, sales mantra, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, everything that goes online is the need of the hour. For better sales to achieve, there is a formula, that is Fatafat sales formula. See, first step stands for focus. Focus on your product first. You should learn the product, you should study the product, and you should be able to explain the pros and cons of the product to the customers, and you should be in a position to answer any question of the customer, so as to you have to study well regarding your product. That is, focus on your product. Second is avatar of the customer. See, you need to be empathized with the customer. You should be in a position that you should emotionally be in tune with your customers. So, and also you have to know their pains, pleasures, and their needs and necessities. See, if a person is purchasing furniture, maybe because of his daughter's marriage, you emphasis on more towards emotional masala, like you should be aware of the what are his needs, necessities, and a maximum discount should be offered. Like, you should know his pain point and also his pleasures in giving the furniture to his daughter, and also his needs and necessities, the cost aspect, discounts, budgeting, everything should be accessed by sales management. Then comes trafficking is very much important nowadays, because online trafficking, that is Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp groups, and anything, any social media, affiliate marketing, everything they will boost your sales. So you have to work upon that you should then you should know the art of selling. Art of selling is necessary, that is, how to negotiate. Then what are the products? You have to introduce products one by one, based on their benefits, cost, time, space management, money, more affordability, all you should keep in mind. And you have to sell. Your art of selling is like, you have to put forward your negotiations before the customer, according to a planned strategy. Then comes funnel of sales. You see, if you are known to 1,000 people, means you are having 1,000 leads of customers. Only 100 people will hear your story, and out of that 100 people, only 10 people may go for purchasing your product, and out of that 10 people, only one person may return to you as if a loyal customer. See how drastically the ratio has fallen down. When if you work upon 1,000 customers, only 100 will hear your story, 10 will purchase your product, and only one leads to be a uh, loyal customer for you. So you should be very careful in negotiating the sales. Then comes, you have to acknowledge, always acknowledge, and post sales, you should be in touch with the customer. What is the conditioning of the product, how it is working, any extended warranty you are offering. You take the responsibility, and you be available to them. See, there is you have to access, you should be easily accessible to them, and you have to accept their complaint as it is, and you have to work accordingly to solve the complaint, and you have to take immediate action of solving, and also you have to acknowledge, see, I have done the work. So you should take their acknowledgement. So this is all a continuous process you have to take care of. And last one is time bound sales. See, any sales is and it enhances, it is important, and it fetches you more money, and it increases your career only when you will be able to finish by time the sales management in time. So always keep in mind that time is the time bonds also should be there, and it is the guiding factor for your sales improvement. This is the fatafat sales of any sales strategy and sales management. And one more thing is, you have to go through this fatafat sales with one power shot formula of success. What I mean to say is, you have to whatever sales you are going through, you should work with passion. You should date your customer as if you are dating your lover or boyfriend or girlfriend. So then you have to own the task. You have to take the responsibility of the sales. As a leader, you have to lead, you have to explore, and you have to discover more opportunities, and you should take the ownership, the responsibility of the sales. Then comes, you should do your work willfully. See, work done with will is half done. So you should always work with willfulness. Then you should be always an enthusiastic learner. See, you should never be in egoistic formulation that I know everything. Every day in daily routines, daily course, you should be always a type of enthusiastic learner should be awakened in you always. Then comes, you should be always rechargeable to the situation. You should be always tuned with the changing scenario, changing situation. You should be adjustable to the day-to-day events, and you should be always flexible and invitable to the changes they are occurring. Then comes strategy. A perfect strategy should be there. Whether it is in your sales, your management, your anything, as perfect strategy should be there. And you should work with honesty towards yourself, your friends, your customers, your team also. You should, and your organization also. You should be if you accept some work, do it with honesty, and God will ponder many opportunities in your way. That should be the gratitude oriented honestiness should be there. Then comes obsession to win. That is the utmost important. I will do this. This is my core of strategy I'm working on, and I will do this in this respect. So there should be an obsession to win. Whatever happens, I should win, I should lead, I should explore, I should discover. That should be the aspect. Then comes teamwork. Last but not the least is teamwork. Always rely upon, because trust, if you gain the confidence and trust of your team, they will do half the work for you. Means 80% of the work will be done with the team, with the management, with the core accessibilities of the team, so as to your work burden will be lessened. So always be reliable and trustworthy and confident upon your teammates. So this is the fatafat sales management with power shot formula of success. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.